Oh, this thing looks crazy. Oh my god. Oh, what is going on? We back with another banger video. Oh shit, y'all. Oh shit. Say goodbye to 10 speed. We're here. Oh, yeah. I need to turn this off. Oh, damn, bro.
Here, I'm gonna park it.
Yo, look at that.
I'll park it here.
Dude, that shit look crazy, bro. No fucking way. Oh, yo, hold on, bro. No fucking way. This will look way too good. Oh shit, bro. Look at this. Nah, that's crazy. That is crazy. What the hell? That wing though. Woo. Yo.
Let me put everything.
Huh? Oh my god, bro. Yo, look at the fucking snake, dude. That should go. Huh?
You wanna hear?
Yeah, turn this bitch on. Let's go.
Well, you can turn it on if you want.
Make sure that bitch in neutral before we fucking.
Heavy.
Yeah.
And then fold that off and then put it exhausting up.
This one?
Yep. One more time. There you go. Now rev it.
Oh shoot.
Just a little.
Oh, bro. Hold on. You gotta rev it for me.
Yeah.
Here's the keys. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yo, bro, what? Look at that real carbon, boy. That's crazy.
My favorite is the...
Hey, where the snake at? It's somewhere. Oh, it comes from the mirror. Oh. Yo, look at that. It turned off because you closed it.
Oh, it worked?
Yeah. This color though.
What the fuck?
What happened?
I have leather seat. You wanna help me?
That sting. What'd you need? Oh yeah.
Lower.
Here, push it down. There you go. Alcantara. Oh, that bitch feels good.
Okay.
Dude, what? Bro, this bitch so bad. Hey, hold on. I got it. I'll be back, y'all. Dang, those brakes are big, bro.
Yeah.
They're like my Scat.
Here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Everything.
This is nice. Oh, bro, look.
Oh, that's crazy. That's
Yo. Look at that thing. Bro, that looks... I'm like speechless right now.
I have two.
I'm speechless
I'm
right
just
now.
realizing everything now. What the
That's
fuck?
your battery. What is this?
What the fuck? Oh, they changed the battery.
Oh, okay.
They just changed it. I don't need this.
They just left it there?
They charged me $2 deposit fee.
Oh, okay.
Look at the front end. Oh, and then look. Gun metal. And then look at all this.
Is it vinyl wrap, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you?
Oils change and everything.
Oh, they already done all that?
Yeah. They did that in Virginia, but they checked.
That's nice.
Look
Functional
at the
vents.
All this.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to get like a
At least
flap thingy.
they have this. In the back.
Yeah, for the back. That's how it is in my car. They have it for the back, but not the front.
I love the tail lights.
Yeah.
Look. I mean the headlights.
I was feeling like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, this is crazy, bro. Alright, let's see how you drive. Fuck. Automatic driver, don't know how to drive manual. This is his first drive in a first ever manual car he's driven. And his
I did drive it once. I didn't stop.
well,
But now I will.
let's see. Here you go. Too easy. Too easy. Oh, this thing looks crazy. I can't stop looking at it. It's finna bust my nut. Yeah. Hey, he's doing really good though. I'm proud. He can fucking drive. Oh yeah. shit is so fat. My God. Dude, the thing backfires. Oh, damn, boy. Downshifts are crazy. Hey, y'all, look at this shit, bro. Look how good it looks. Oh my God, it makes me want to get one. Nah, that's not happening, bro. Oh, I hate this highway. Bro, that shit looks crazy, dude. Bro, it'll look better at night. When we get home, it'll be pretty dark.
Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. There you go. See?
Yeah. I'm in second gear. Huh? Hey, I'm going for it. I'm rolling it. Yeah, I'm in neutral. That's just fucking scary, yo. It's a nice car. The fucking clutch scares me, bro. I don't want to fuck up the clutch. She's home, though. She is home. Let me show you that snake, though. I was talking about the snake. Dang. Makes me...
The parking's horrible, bro. Should I fix it?
Nah, just leave it, bro. Just leave it. Just leave it, bro. Hey, we gotta get rid of the Carmax. Oh, that front plate. We need to get rid of that real quick. There it is.
You got the key?
For what?
That car?
No.
Where's
You
it?
have it?
No.
I don't have it.
Yeah, you have it.
Hey, bro, that thing gonna disappear tomorrow. All right, yeah. There it is. She's home. That's it.
Just keep it on the
Oh
gas.
yeah, that's where I feel it.
Don't do. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, slowly let. See, easy. Well, you're off the clutch, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gas up. Gas. Getting better.
It just takes tries.
But you gotta hold. You gotta hold in the clutch, right?
Yeah.
You gotta hold in the clutch. Now stop right here. Again.
Yeah.
Hold in the clutch.
Oh, hold on. He's coming around.
We're teaching him how to do manual.
What?
I'm trying to learn how to drive manual because I don't know.
Yeah, we just got it.
I'd believe you a little bit more if you didn't have the GoPro on your head.
You would leave. Oh, I do YouTube, but yeah, he literally just got the car. And I'm trying to learn it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see us going back and forth?
No.
You haven't seen us going back and forth? We're going like slow because we're trying to learn how to get on that first gear. Because I don't know how to drive it.
Engage. He's like holding it and letting it go so it jolts.
Well, I noticed the GoPro and I was like,
Nah, that'd be stupid to do it here.
something.
No.
We just got it. He just got it. So it's
Yeah.
like, we don't want to do anything.
Okay.
If you want to check, YouTube. Give him a free
I'll just
subscribe.
give you a heads up because I got multiple other partners that are riding around this area. Somebody might talk to you,
Yeah, that's fine.
but give y'all a heads up before if you guys were doing that.
Oh no.
Do not do that.
Yeah.
We're not, I promise.
So our family member owns that Subway too.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Well, awesome car.
Thank you.
Don't burn the clutch out.
Yeah, that's what we're worried about.
Yeah, I don't want him to burn it out, but yeah.
No, you should be fine.
Yeah.
Is it paddle shift or is it actually?
It's
It only
thick.
comes in the Tremec.
Okay.
Do you want to check it out? Like.
I got something I gotta do.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to give y'all a heads
Yeah,
up
yeah,
because
yeah.
one of my other partners would give y'all a ticket if they happen to see you doing something you weren't supposed to do.
Yeah. Is it fine though? We learn. Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Shit, I'd rather you guys do it here than try to figure it out
Yeah,
on the street.
on the
next
road,
day,
yeah. Especially at night, so it's safer too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
night.
you.
Be
Y'all
safe.
good.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I mean, we're not even going above 5 miles per hour, so. Brake in,
Put
clutch.
that shit back and brake too. Because I don't know
This
why
is not all the way down. Okay.
Yeah. There you go. That's
Hold on.
smooth. See how it didn't clung?
Yeah.
Slowly let go. Gas. Gas. There you go. That's it. Slowly let go. Let go. No, there you go.
That's perfect.
Okay, just turn in here. So
Yeah.
And then go this way.
Yeah.
You can go this way. Well, just don't hit him, but go this way, like right here, and then stop right here.
Okay, hold on. We need to get out on the road, bro. Because downshift is what you need to learn.
Give him more. And let go. Perfect.
Why does it do that?
I don't know.
Should we ask them?
Yeah. Let go. That's too much. Let go. Slowly. Like, oh. Yeah.
Y'all hear that? That's Brett.
Oh my god.
The fucking echo
It
right
sound like gunshot.
Bro, chill. Bro. No fucking. Bro, that shit is so fucking loud. I go, whoop.
That's him. Is he
Where
going
he
the long
coming
way?
from?
He's going the long way. Oh no,
Oh, he's right here now. Bro, that shit sounds so good. Corsas?
yeah.
Jeez. Hey bro, we're by like behind Discount Tire.
Unclutchy.
Bluey, the gone clutchy. Burnt clutch, burnt everything.
I ain't replacing
Burnt
it.
clutch, burnt tires.
I'm gonna tell him go through the gears and see if there's anything wrong, right?
Oh yeah, let him drive. Yeah, let him see.
'Cause he's
Yep,
the
that's
fucking
him.
expert, not me.
Oh, I know he hate that. Boy, motherfucker, I heard you all the way on the 26. They go, whoop-pa.
Oh, you heard it?
Bro, yes, I texted you.
The echoes.
It fucking echoed here. I'm like, dude, that's him. Like all the way when you was on 26.
Yeah. All
It's
of
that
them
fucking,
26,
it's so loud. I hope my camera caught it on camera, yeah.
Yeah, I was like
Stupid.
2-stepping. I was like back there by the bridge. Oh, you see you heard it all the way back there by the
Yeah,
bridge?
Yeah.
Jeez.
dude.
Yeah.
That thing's loud. I didn't know it was that
No,
loud.
I heard you on the fucking 26.
Jeez.
And I heard you when you got on the fucking
Yeah, we
exit.
heard- Yeah.
Dude, that's...
Hard?
Is that light?
Yeah.
It's light?
Yeah, it's like...
Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Because hard clutches are hard.
Yeah, like Garrett's. Have you shown
Garrett's
Garrett's?
is fucking... I
It's
drove it, I
horrible.
stalled his like first 4 times.
I didn't install it the first time I drove it. It was like slowly. Yeah.
Feels normal?
Yeah, that feels fine.
Okay.
I was just getting used to like the gearing and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's higher.
Yeah.
I see what you're talking about now.
So then we gotta like hold it in a little bit more than usually.
Usually, I'll wait till you feel the car start to roll, and then,
And then you give it gas?
Yeah, well, I let off the clutch then, because as soon as it starts rolling here, basically
You can let it go?
So like this right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, has it.
Oh, it has it?
My foot's off the brake, so it'll hold it for like 14 seconds. That's
Yeah.
like how mine is. So
Yeah.
you don't have a lot of time, but like hold it like that, just foot on the
Just
brake.
foot on the brake?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We're taking this thing back. Scratches. We didn't realize it last night, but there's a bunch here. Look at this big one. This? Why is there so many over here? Bro, whoever got it or had it probably went through the wash, like the you know, the automated, whatever, the brush wash. Yeah, that panel.
It's gonna. If I have that, I would have to get it flipped.
I don't know what that is either. Scratches.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the lip is cracked too. Right down here. And we did not do that shit. Look at these scratches. Oh hell no. Alright, y'all. We finna return this bitch. It sounds good. Dang, bro. It's a sexy ass car, but with all the defects like that, I wouldn't take it either. Especially if you're paying fucking that much. He paid 75.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
It's not worth it
Yeah.
at all.
Screw that. Alright, y'all already know how good it sounds. Alright. Downshift next to him. That was a downshift?
Yeah, this is higher RPM.
Oh my god, bro. That shit feels good. Do a downshift under here. It just sounds good, like
It's like a nice, like,
yeah.
it sounds like a Ferrari or something. Like
It's an American Ferrari. Yeah. Oh yeah. They definitely messed this something up.
Okay, well y'all can look around. We'll return.